Good morning. My name is Surinder Tamar, Assistant Professor Biotechnology, Applied Science, RPIIT College, Bastada, Karnal. Today I am going to deliver a brief lecture on human gene therapy. It is a therapy in which we can cure many genetic diseases of human beings. First of all, what is gene therapy? Gene therapy is the introduction of genes into existing cells to prevent or cure a wide range of diseases. It is a technique for correcting defective genes responsible for disease development. The first trial for gene therapy experiment occurred in September 14, 1990 in USA when Ashanti De Silva was treated for ADA SCID. What is ADA? ADA is adenosine deaminase deficiency, severe combined immunodeficiency. It is a kind of disease that causes many health problems in human beings. So that was the first case which was treated through gene therapy. Next is what are the types of gene therapy? There are two types of gene therapy. First is somatic cell gene therapy and second is germline gene therapy. What is the somatic cells? Somatic cells are the body cells which present in our body, and germlines are the reproductive cells through which we can reproduce, for example eggs and sperms. Okay, so somatic cells which are good for gene therapy are like bone marrow cells, blood cells or skin cells. We can insert new gene in these cells and many more. But in germ cells there are two types of cells, eggs present in female and sperms present in male. So the somatic cells gene therapy cannot be inherited in the later generation, but germline therapy will pass to the next generation. So there are good advantage of germline gene therapy as this therapy continue to their next generation. For example, cancer, if somebody is taking treatment or gene therapy to treat cancer and she or he want that his or her next generation do not suffer with cancer, they can take gene therapy and that genes will continue to their next generation and their next generation will not get any cancer gene. Next is approaches, method how we can transfer a gene. There are two methods, in vivo gene therapy or ex vivo gene therapy. As the name suggests, we can deliver a gene directly into a particular tissue of the body that can change that particular defective gene. Second type of gene therapy is ex vivo gene therapy, in which we extract the particular cell which is defective and we can transmit a healthy gene in that cell. So now what is ex vivo gene therapy? First of all, we isolate the cells which are defectively present in our body or in a patient. We extract that cell and grow that cell in culture. Then we introduce therapeutic gene, means healthy genes. Then we select genetically corrected cells and grow them. Transplant that modified cells to the patient body. So what are the advantages of gene therapy? Gene therapy has potential to eliminate and prevent hereditary diseases like cystic fibrosis, ADA, CSD, etc. It is possible cure for heart disease, AIDS and cancer. It gives someone born with genetic disease a chance to life. It can be used to eradicate disease from future generation.